Hello, my dear students of class 4. Today we are going to start our EVS chapter 4. So, the name of the story is the story of Amrita. So, we are going to read about the story of Amrita. So, let's start. So, this is the true story from long ago. Also, almost 300 years ago, Amrita lived in a village called Khejadli near Jodhpur in Rajasthan. The village got its name because of the many khejadi trees that grew there. Also, the people of this village took great care of plants, trees, and animals. Many animals like goats, deers, hares, and peacocks roam fearlessly there. So, the people of the village remembered and followed whatever the elders used to tell them. They used to say agar pair hai to hum hai. So that's why they all taking care of trees, plants and animals also. We all know that plants and animals survive without us, but we can't survive without them. So next is Amrita's friend. So Amrita would get up early every morning and greet. That means to give a polite word of recognition or sign of welcome when meeting someone. So Amrita wake up early every morning and gave a polite word to her friends, the trees. And she would choose a special tree for the day and put her arms around the tree's trunk and whisper to the trees, "Friends, you are strong and beautiful. You care for us, and thank you, trees, for caring and loving us. I love you so much and give us strength," that means energy, to me also. So Amrita always said this to the trees. She was always thankful to all the trees, and well known trees give us various things like fruit, leaves, bark, shade, oxygen, etc. We even use their dry trunk to burn and cooked food. Trees sacrifice a lot of things for us, so it's our duty to save the trees. And next is trees are in danger. So nowadays trees are in danger. Time went by and Amrita was now grown up. One day she went to greet her friends, that means trees, her friends, trees. She saw that there were some stranger in her village. They had access with them, and they said that the king had sent them to cut trees for wood. The wood was needed for building the king's palace. So now look how we human beings are cruel. They give us oxygen to breathe, to alive. Even when they died, even they sacrifice their body or trunk, branches, etc. for us. But we are very cruel and we cut down the trees when it's alive. So after hearing this, she was shocked and went to the trees that the men were about to cut. She put her arms around the trees and hugged it tightly. The woodcutter shouted and tried to threat her, tried to scare her. But Amrita did not let go of the trees. The king men had to follow the king's order and they had to cut the tree. So on seeing this, Amrita's daughter and hundreds of villagers hugged the trees to protect them, and many people, including Amrita and her daughter, died to save the forest. So when the king heard of this, he could not believe that people gave up their life for trees. And he himself visited the village, and there he learned about villagers' respect for trees and animals. So after that, the village is protected. The villagers' strong feelings for trees affected the king greatly, and he ordered that from then onwards no tree would be cut and no animals will be harmed in that areas. Even today, almost 300 years later, the people of Khejadli called beach noise continue to protect plants and animals. Even though in the middle of the desert, this area is green and animals roam freely without fear. So we should love nature, it gives us peace and positive minded. And some words about Khejadi trees. So these trees mostly found in desert areas. It can grow without much water. That's why it's grown in desert areas. Its bark is used for making medicines. People cook and eat its fruit, beans. Its wood is such that it will not be affected by insects. And the animals in this area eat the leaves of these khejadi trees, and children like to play in its shade. So now I raised this chapter. Now you should do exercise of this chapter. If you get any problem to do, you may comment down. Thank you. Have a great day and stay safe, stay home.